maximum number of grounding conductor connections under a single grounding terminal in a residential dwelling unit service is 3. This allowance includes the grounding electrode conductor, the equipment grounding conductor, and the grounded conductor. This information is available in the National Electrical Code, specifically NEC Article 250.28 done. This section addresses scenarios where the grounding terminal or bonding jumper connects to 1. The equipment grounding bus and a panel board which is classified as service equipment, 2. The chassis of service raceways or cables, or 3. The ground bus or terminal within the service equipment enclosure or raceway system. Under each grounding or bonding connection, the code permits only 1 grounding electrode conductor, 1 equipment bonding jumper, and 1 connection to the grounded conductor of a multi-wire branch circuit. This limitation ensures that each connection is secure and reliable, maintaining the integrity of the grounding system. The grounding electrode conductor connects the electrical system to the earth, providing a path for fault current to flow back to the source, which facilitates the operation of overcurrent protected devices like circuit breakers. The equipment grounding conductor provides a low impedance path for fault current from metallic parts of electrical equipment back to the source, again aiding in the rapid operation of overcurrent devices. The connection to the grounded conductor of a multi-wire branch circuit, typically the neutral conductor, provides a reference point for the voltage in the system and helps to balance the load. By limiting the number of conductors under a single terminal to 3, the NEC aims to prevent overcrowding, which can lead to loose connections, increased resistance, and potential failures in the grounding system. A secure and properly connected grounding system is crucial for electrical safety, protecting against electrical shock hazards and minimizing the risk of fire. When installing or maintaining electrical systems, always consult the latest edition of the NEC and follow all applicable local codes and regulations. Ensure that all grounding connections are made with approved connectors and that the terminals are properly tightened to the manufacturer's specifications. Regular inspection and maintenance of grounding systems are essential to ensure their continued effectiveness. Look for signs of corrosion, loose connections, or physical damage to the conductors or terminals. If any issues are found, they should be addressed promptly by a qualified electrician. The NEC provides detailed requirements for grounding and bonding to ensure electrical safety and system reliability. These requirements are based on extensive research and testing, and they are regularly updated to reflect new technologies and best practices. Adherence to the NEC and other applicable standards is essential for anyone working with electrical systems. Understanding these regulations will help promote a safe environment.